So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use Google Gemini as voice assistant on any iPhone that you have for free. Now in order to do it, simply first of all make sure that you have downloaded the Gemini application from the App Store. Now once you have the Gemini application, simply go to settings. Here go to action button, and here go to the option of shortcuts. Now hit on the option of create a shortcut, choose a shortcut, and search for Gemini and search for talk live with Gemini. Now select that. Now if you press and hold the action button, you'll notice that the Gemini talk feature will enable right in front of you. For now I don't have internet right now, that's why it's causing some interruption. Now if you don't have the action button, you can do the same for the back tap as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.